pasta today. My go-to pasta, my signature pasta. I marinate the chicken first, which I might not even marinate them honestly because it's so simple. I'm not gonna marinate them, I am. We're gonna start off with some pepper, salt, garlic powder. Normally I use fresh, but I was lazy, so garlic powder is fine. We'll have some soy sauce in there and some olive oil. Alright, so you're gonna need baby bella mushrooms, grape tomatoes, green peppers, spinach, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream. I mean, you can customize it however you want, really, and the pasta your choice. To make life easier, cut your veggies, your tomatoes in half, boil your water but don't salt it until it's boiling. Throw some oil in a pan, wait till it gets nice and hot for the chicken. And just let it get nice and brown and crispy. Saute your mushrooms. Oh, and let's watch me pour some salt in the pasta water. And salt it good. Ooh, that was a lot. It was a lot, but it's okay. And just add your green peppers and saute them with your mushrooms for a little bit. Get them brown on high, and then turn it back on low and add your heavy whipping cream. You're gonna see me play around with it here, but just add the whole thing. Just add it all. Always, always, always keep some extra pasta water. I always forget sometimes. Now to season. Let's start with black pepper. I would start at 1/8 of a teaspoon of each ingredient, just as a base. This is garlic I'm adding. Some paprika. We all know it doesn't taste like nothing, it's just for the color. So you can do as much or as little. Let's do some cayenne. Do you want it spicy or do you not want it spicy? Parsley. Crushed red pepper. This is what made it super spicy. Still going. I'm just gonna mix that up. Add some Parmesan cheese, as much as you'd like. You add some pasta water to help it thicken, and add your tomatoes now that everything's nice and cooked, because they're gonna get soggy, so just add that after it's complete. Spinach, same, it's gonna get nice and wilted, it's gonna shrink up, so add a lot because it's gonna become a little bit. We can add our pasta and just mix that up. It's gonna be liquidy, but it's gonna thicken up, I promise. Turn the stove off and let it sit. And now it's like thick and creamy and delicious. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Me voy a servir, ¿ok? Para que hacemos un mukbang. Para hacer un mukbang. Oh, look at that. Okay, perfect. Let me serve this up. Okay, so here's my pasta. Can you see that? Deliciousness. Is it falling? I cut the chicken up. I forgot to show you guys the chicken fresh out the pan. So sorry, but just know it was juicy. Put it on top because if you put it in the pasta, it's gonna get lost and then like te va a quedar mucho adentro. Give it a little mix. Let's see how it overall tastes like. That's spicy. That's real spicy. Me pasé de cayenne pepper, but it's because it's really good, and I love it. I hope you guys try my recipe. Stay tuned for more. Anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe.
Let me know if you make it, or if you get inspired by it and then create your own thing. Also show me that, like I'd be down to see that. But yeah, I hope you guys really fuck with me because I love food. I hope you guys fuck with me the way I fuck with food. Mm-hmm.